Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see the exercise part of Chapter 6, Portrait of an Artist, Vincent van Gogh. The exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the words and phrases from the text. Question number 1. We know about Van Gogh as a person and as a painter mostly through dash. The answer is letters he exchanged with Thoreau. We know about Van Gogh as a person and as a painter mostly through the letters that he exchanged with Thoreau. Question number 2. Van Gogh liked to paint scenes from the lives of laborers like dash. The answer is peasants. Van Gogh liked to paint scenes from the lives of laborers like peasants. Question number 3. Van Gogh often did not eat properly, surviving for months on coffee and bread. The answer is coffee and bread. Question number 4. Dash was an artist and a friend of Van Gogh. The answer is Gauguin. Question number 5. Two flowers which Van Gogh painted were dash. The answer is sunflowers and irises. Question number 6. The psychiatric institution Van Gogh committed himself to was located in. The answer is Arles. Question number 7. The person who kept Van Gogh's legacy alive was dash. The answer is Vincent van Gogh's brother Theo. Question number 8. Dash was with him in his last hours. His final words were dash. The first answer is Theo was with him in his last hours. His final words were the sadness will last forever. The sadness will last forever. Now we will see answer the questions with a reference to context. Question number 1. He left his studies at the age of 15 and a year later joined Art Dealers Gruppel and Co. as an apprentice in the Hughes, but he soon developed a dislike for art trading. Question number A. Who is referred to as he in the given lines? Vincent van Gogh is referred to as he in the given lines. What are the different occupations that he took up before deciding to become a painter? That answer is there in page number 57, the first, second and third paragraphs. First job that he took as an apprentice in Art Dealers Gruppel and Co. After 4 years, he was transferred to the firm's London branch. After that, he was working in the Paris office of the same company. From there, he was being dismissed. Then he worked as a teacher in England and was briefly an assistant in a bookshop in a Dutch town. In 1879, he became a preacher in a mining community in Belgium. These all are the different jobs that Vincent van Gogh took before deciding to become an artist. Question number B. Give 2 instances where he was dismissed from his duties. Why was he dismissed? The answer is there in page number 57, first paragraph. While working in Art Dealers Gruppel and Co. company in its Paris office, he was dismissed for expressing his bitterness and anger at his boss for trading art as a mere commodity to be bought and sold. The next question. How does one of his earliest masterpieces show his closeness to the working class? The answer is in page number 57, second last and last paragraphs. Vincent van Gogh observed the life of poor and the disadvantaged. He observed their lives closely and depicted through still life, landscape and figures. In his painting, he drew the life of peasants, the hardship they endure, and the countryside where they cultivate the fields. In 1885, he produced what is thought to be his first masterpiece, The Potato Eaters, a painting of a peasant family eating potatoes for dinner. and that painting showed his closeness to the working class. The rest of 2 questions, answer the questions with the reference to context, we will discuss in the next class. Write these questions and answers and exercises into your copy. Thank you.